Digitalization is the basis for a resilient and responsive and a resource-efficient production for customized products. And in future, we will see so-called product service systems based on cyber-physical approaches that generate new data-driven business models. And looking into future, I do see a standardized, open and loosely coupled networks for interoperability and an edge and cloud environment that are changing the IT, especially the OT, that means operational technology infrastructure. And looking into research especially, we see new approaches for data acquisition, preparation, and especially in modeling that are from major relevance.